Phonology can look scary. Strange symbols, unfamiliar sounds, and rules that feels like puzzles. But in every linguistic Olympiad, like NSELO, UKLO, IOL, Panini Olympiad, phonology questions follow very predictable patterns. Today, I'll show you the smartest trick to crack them, just like we teach at Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes. Now, phonology questions test three things. First is the sound patterns, like how sounds behave together. Second, the feature rules like voicing, aspiration, etc. And number three is the pattern deduction, like predicting the missing forms or the discovering the hidden rules. Now, you don't need to know a language, you only need to spot how the data changes. That's the heart of Olympiad style phonology. Now, rule number one is in Olympiad problems, sound changes are consistent. Now, if a sound changes in the one word, it will change in all similar context. So, look for the position, start versus middle versus end. Look for the neighbor sounds like vowel next to consonant and voiced next to voiceless, and look for the minimal pairs. The moment you find the 2-3 examples showing the same pattern, you can decode the rule. Don't focus on what the sound looks like. Focus on how it behaves. For example, PTK shared the featured voiceless stop. BDG shared the voiced stop. And MN shared the nasal. So, Olympiad rules almost always use the features. So, group sounds by behavior, not alphabet. Now, when the exam asks you to fill in the missing words, do this. First, identify the rule from the given data. Second, apply the rule to the missing word. And number three, check if it fits in all the examples. For example, if K becomes G between vowels, then every time you see VKV, convert it to VGV. Simple, logical, and high scoring. Now, advanced phonology problems includes the stress shifts, tone patterns, and the syllable constraints. Always map before shapes because Olympiad style love using the syllable rules to hide the trick. So at Dr. Shorob's classes, we break down the phonology with the daily problem solving drills, featured chart decoding techniques, mock Olympiad test, one-to-one small batch training, spatial phonology crash modules, extremely affordable fees, and full support for the students who need the financial help. So join us today.